Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe.
With my amigo, no, I do you dirty.
Today we're going to be talking about how I style my gray twist. I get a lot of compliments about these. I think these are 18 inches. I feel like gray hair is a go-to winter look, and I love gray hair on black girls. But yeah, these are the styles I most commonly wear, so let's get into it.
Okay, so first things first, you're gonna get you some good foam. This is the brand I use, but this is imperative to making sure those human hair boho curls stay popping. And please get human hair, y'all. Please do not get them synthetic curls. Okay, the first look is just to the side. Nothing too crazy, okay? Simple, basic. You can wear this anywhere. I feel like once it starts to wear down, though, it don't really look that good on the side. And you definitely got to make sure your edges are laid. Yep, cute. And if you want to jazz it up a little bit, you can like pin like a little side piece to make it look a little more elegant. And like I'll wear it like this if I'm going to church or wearing a dress, just trying to look a little more fancy. Yes, she's cute. Go off, queen. Okay, the next look is more of a fun look, but it's also casual. Like you can wear it out anywhere. Okay, so we're throwing up the first little pigtail. Yes, these are pigtails, you guys. I'm really mindful about keeping my boho pieces out too. I do them though, like after I kind of like throw the hair up, and then I kind of extract them out. So yeah, I just like kind of pull them out so you can see the curls. And then this is for my eccentric girlies. If you want to jazz up the pigtails, like you can put anything in them, like barrettes. I put these little scrunchies. Even though I look 12 years old, I probably would not wear this in real life, but just giving y'all an example. Okay, now my favorite hairstyle, the half up, half down look. I wear this a lot when I go out, like the bar or just to dinner. It gives like not fancy or sophisticated, but it's a little edgy. Like I don't know how to describe it, but it's a vibe, and I love bringing down my little curly curl pieces. Honestly, this hairstyle wouldn't be what it is without the boho pieces. Like the boho pieces just set off the whole look. Okay, cute or whatever. Ignore like the little top where my pieces are raised. Y'all know how to get it right. Okay, if you want to jazz it up, you can take your curly pieces out and make yourself a little bun. And like, just to get the curly pieces out of my way, I always pin them. But get you a bobby pin and wrap that little bun around. Loop-de-loop, loop, loop. And then once you've done that, you'll just pin it. We love a good messy bun. And then make sure you bring down your little curly pieces. And yeah, you are good to go. Another look for the books. Yes. Okay, the next look is a little half up, half down, but with like a side part. And you want to bring out all your boho pieces in the bang like area. Yeah, this is casual, cute, simple, really quick, easy peasy. And last but not least, my go-to style, half up, half down, middle part. And you guys use the foam to refresh in between like doing your hair. I use that foam every day, honestly. So yeah, half up, half down with a middle part. Make sure you bring your boho pieces out. The look is not complete without them, and you'd be looking bald, or at least I feel like I'd be looking bald. Okay, so this style I wear to work. Like, this is just my everyday kind of go-to, real simple, easy peasy. And yeah, I'm just bringing down the little curly pieces, and that's it, you guys. Like, that was 6 looks for you to try. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye.